In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a mailing list in Mailchimp. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the left over here and you want to click on Audience. When you are inside the Audience tab, you want to go and click on the three dots top right and click on Audience Settings. From here, you want to click on Manage Audiences and you'll be able to create a new mailing list over here. So of course, you can just click on Create Audience top right. And then in here, of course, you can select Create Audience over here again. Now, whenever you do this, basically you're going to have to give it a name and of course all the audience details. So this one is going to be mailing list 1, for example, like this. And of course you can go and of course pull different things over here. I'm just going to leave it like it is, and what I'm going to do here is just go to create audience at the bottom. Okay, now all the data you see in here is just some random populated data which I put in here, so don't worry about that. It's just for demo purposes. And I'm going to click on create audience. Now it's going to tell you what all you have to do. So for example, over here it says from email address, and I'm going to type in my email address. Okay, so the fields are going to be necessary. Some of them are going to be necessary, and from name is going to be instant how to. Okay, so this is going to be everything which is important, as well as this thing down here over here, which is the sign up reminder. Okay, so we can write a short reminder about how the recipient joined your audience. For example, it could be you're receiving this email because you have opted in to receiving weekly emails from, and then of course yourself. So I'm just going to type in you're receiving this, or of course for example you're signed up for instant how to. Okay, for example like this, and that way you basically put in all the things you need. Click on create audience. Of course you can change these things if you want to as well, and then your audience is going to get created. Now in here you can of course select your audience up top, and over here I'm going to have this mailing list 1, and then you have different options to actually put in different contacts. You could go and upload a file or copy and paste them, or you could go to add contacts top right, where you could also sync these as well if you wanna. Now I do have an in-depth tutorial on how to actually upload a file from an Excel spreadsheet or something similar, so you can go watch that if you're interested. But the easiest way would be to just go to paste your contacts, and you can just type in their emails over here. So like this, as you can see, so email, first name, last name, and then address. I could go like this, for example, the instant how to at gmail.com, and then I could do like instant is name, how to is surname, and then address 1 is going to be the address. So I can press the enter key. I can add a second one like this, for example, and do again, for example, like this, and then address 2, etc. Okay, I can add them as many as I want to. Click on continue. Then you're going to have to organize them, tag them, match them, etc. This is super simple actually. You just have to go through the process, which is usually like a 2-minute process. So I'm going to select the current audience, continue, then the match over here. Of course, you can match them with tags if you want to. And then over here, as you can see, things haven't been recognized. So over here, what I'm going to have to do is, of course, the first column, I want to import this. The second one hasn't been recognized. So this is going to be the first name over here. And of course, this is going to be our last name over here. And then this is going to be our address. I'm going to click on continue. And then here you can select email marketing status. It's going to be subscribed, finalize import, and you can complete it over here. Now I might get some errors over here because I do have these 2 emails in my list. No, I didn't apparently, but of course you could get them. If you do get them, you can view the errors, but in my case I don't. So I can just click on, for example, the exit button over here, and now inside my audience I can see these 2 emails on the mailing list down here at the bottom. Okay, and of course you can add as many as you want, just like that. It's actually super simple. So that's how to create a mailing list in Mailchimp. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.